Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. The kitchen has always been more than just a place to cook. It's where conversations start, where families gather, and where the atmosphere of the home often comes alive. A well-designed kitchen doesn't just look beautiful, it also makes everyday living easier and more enjoyable. When it comes to remodeling, even small changes can completely transform how the space feels and functions. From layouts that encourage connection to design choices that bring warmth and personality, the kitchen is constantly evolving into a space that blends style with practicality. In this video, we'll explore 10 modern ideas and trends that can inspire a remodel and help create a kitchen that feels both timeless and innovative. An open-concept layout has become one of the most sought-after approaches in kitchen design, and for good reason. By removing unnecessary walls, the kitchen seamlessly connects with the dining or living area, creating a sense of flow and openness. This design not only allows more natural light to fill the space but also encourages social interaction, making it easier to stay connected with family or guests while cooking. It's especially effective in smaller homes or apartments, where opening up the layout instantly makes the area feel larger and more inviting. The beauty of an open concept is that it adapts to different lifestyles, whether you enjoy hosting gatherings or simply want a brighter, airier environment for everyday living. A kitchen island has become much more than just an extra counter. Today, it's the centerpiece of the kitchen, offering both function and style. A large island provides generous workspace for meal prep, while also serving as a casual dining spot or gathering area for family and friends. Many designs now integrate storage solutions, sinks, or even built-in appliances, turning the island into a true multitasking hub. It's also an opportunity to make a bold design statement, whether through contrasting cabinetry, unique countertop materials, or stylish pendant lighting above. By combining practicality with personality, a kitchen island instantly elevates the space and makes it the heart of the home. Minimalism in the kitchen is all about creating a calm, uncluttered environment where every detail feels intentional. Clean lines, flat panel cabinetry, and handleless doors give the space a sleek and seamless look. The absence of visual clutter allows the focus to shift toward natural textures and subtle finishes, making the kitchen feel both modern and inviting. Neutral tones work especially well here, but the design can be softened with warm wood accents or a hint of texture in the backsplash. The minimalist approach isn't just about style, it also enhances functionality by keeping everything organized and easy to maintain. It's a design that balances simplicity with sophistication, offering a timeless appeal that never feels overdone. Technology has become an integral part of modern kitchens, transforming the way we cook, clean, and interact with the space. Smart appliances like ovens that can be controlled from your phone, refrigerators that help track groceries, or dishwashers with energy-saving settings add convenience and efficiency to daily routines. Touchless faucets and motion-activated lighting not only make the kitchen more hygienic but also more functional. Even subtle upgrades, such as under-cabinet lighting with adjustable brightness or Wi-Fi-enabled coffee machines, can make a noticeable difference. Incorporating smart technology blends practicality with innovation, creating a kitchen that works seamlessly with the pace of everyday life. A backsplash is one of the easiest ways to bring character into a kitchen, and bold designs are becoming a favorite choice. Whether it's striking geometric tiles, richly veined natural stone, or sleek glass finishes, a statement wall can instantly transform the look of the entire space. Beyond aesthetics, a backsplash is also practical, protecting walls from splashes and stains while being easy to clean. Choosing a bold design allows homeowners to express personal style without overwhelming the kitchen, especially when paired with more neutral cabinetry or countertops. It's a perfect example of how a small design feature can have a big impact, turning an ordinary kitchen into something truly memorable. Countertops play a central role in defining the overall look and function of a kitchen, and natural stone remains one of the most popular choices. Materials like marble, quartz, and granite bring both durability and elegance, with each slab offering its own unique patterns and textures. Stone countertops not only provide a sturdy surface for cooking and entertaining but also add a sense of luxury that never goes out of style. They pair beautifully with a wide range of cabinetry, from sleek modern finishes to warm wood tones, making them versatile for any design. Choosing natural stone elevates the kitchen with a timeless quality while ensuring the space is built to last. Color has a powerful influence on the mood of a kitchen, and warm, earthy palettes are a favorite for creating a welcoming atmosphere. Shades like soft beige, muted taupe, and warm gray bring a sense of calm, while natural wood tones add depth and character. These colors pair beautifully with both modern finishes and traditional accents, making them versatile for different design styles. Earthy palettes also work well with textured surfaces, such as stone backsplashes or matte cabinetry, adding subtle richness without feeling overwhelming. The result is a kitchen that feels cozy, timeless, and effortlessly inviting, a space where people naturally want to gather. A well-organized kitchen always feels more functional and inviting, and hidden storage solutions are a clever way to achieve that balance. Pull-out drawers, built-in organizers, and concealed cabinets make it easy to keep everything within reach while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. Features like corner pullouts, sliding pantry shelves, or hidden compartments in the island maximize space that might otherwise go unused. These solutions not only improve efficiency but also allow countertops to stay clear, highlighting the design elements that matter most. By blending practicality with sleek design, hidden storage ensures the kitchen feels both stylish and highly functional. Combining different materials and textures is a design approach that instantly adds depth and personality to a kitchen. Pairing warm wood with sleek stone, or mixing matte finishes with glossy surfaces, creates a balanced contrast that feels dynamic without being overwhelming. Metal accents, such as brushed brass or stainless steel, can add a touch of sophistication, while glass elements bring in lightness and elegance. This layered look gives the kitchen a sense of richness and individuality, making it feel unique to the space. By blending different finishes thoughtfully, the kitchen becomes more than just functional, it becomes a visually engaging environment full of character. Lighting has the power to completely change the atmosphere of a kitchen, making it both functional and stylish. Pendant lights above an island create a focal point, while under-cabinet lighting adds a practical glow for cooking tasks. Layered options, such as recessed ceiling lights combined with decorative fixtures, allow the mood of the kitchen to shift from bright and energizing to warm and intimate. Beyond function, lighting also highlights design elements like countertops, backsplashes, or open shelving. Choosing bold fixtures or unique shapes turns lighting into a design feature on its own, adding personality and elegance to the space. A kitchen remodel is one of the most rewarding ways to refresh a home, combining beauty with everyday practicality. From open layouts and large islands to smart technology, bold backsplashes, and thoughtful lighting, each of these ideas shows how design can transform the heart of the home into something truly special. What makes these trends so appealing is that they're not just about appearance, they're about creating a space that supports how people live, cook, and connect. With the right balance of style and function, any kitchen can feel both timeless and modern. For more inspiration and creative design ideas, make sure to subscribe to Decor Tricks, like this video, and share it with others who love great design.